born with inherited body shape based on their skeletal frame and the body composition. So today's topic is based on body types, what kind of fat deposition is happening in each type of body, and what kind of food you can have for those types. This is Dhanalakshmi, senior dietitian. Let's get into the video of body types. Body types are called somatotypes. There are three basic types: endomorph, ectomorph and mesomorph. We'll see in detail what kind of fat deposition and what kind of food you have for these kind of body shapes. First we'll see about the ectomorph. This is also called as the ruler body type. So in this body type, they will have a narrow body type. The shape will be very narrow and they'll be having a thinner bones. So these kind of this body shape, we can say it is the luckiest body shape because there will not be that much fat deposition happening in this type. But people think that they are not gaining weight and they can have anything, whatever they want. But what is the drawback is when they have unhealthy, unbalanced food habits, they does not deposit this fat under the skin, but they deposit visceral fat. That is, their visceral fat increases, that is in the blood, right? So when the blood fat increases, it is very risky for the heart. So these people should take care of that, and they should not think that they can eat anything and they can have unhealthy food. No, that is not right. So they also should have a balanced food. These kind of people should have a very well balanced food with lots of fruits and vegetables. And physical activity is very important. At least 30 minutes of walking they should go. Next we'll see the mesomorph type of body. So this kind of body shape will have a very broad shoulder and a narrow hip and waist in them. So this kind of body type you can mostly see in athletes. So this kind of body is well suited for bodybuilding activities. So they can focus more on bodybuilding activities and high protein foods, right? So these kind of people can also gain the fat percentage very easily, and they can also lose it very easily. So if they are focusing more on building up the lean body, their muscle building will be very good and they can lose the fat percentage very easily. So the diet what they should have is of high protein, low carbohydrate, moderate fat and high fiber, and lot of physical activity. The next body type is the endomorph body type. They are round shaped, plumpy and overweight always. The fat deposition in this type of body will happen all over the body, throughout the body, that is the upper and the lower body part evenly. So these people will not know that they are gaining weight because the fat deposition happens throughout the body. So they will not come to know whether they are gaining weight or not unless and until they are checking their weight. So this kind of people have to definitely concentrate on physical activity and low carbohydrate diet, and they should definitely avoid sweets because having high intake of sweets will definitely put on the weight all over the body. So these people should be very careful about the food, that is they should have a low carbohydrate as I said you, and lot of physical activity is again very important for them. Another very commonly used term is pear shaped body type. So this body type is nothing but a combination of ectomorph on the upper body and endomorph on the lower body. That is, they'll be having more fat deposition on the lower body part, especially on the thighs and the hip area. This kind of body type is mainly found in women. So the fat deposition here is not risky for heart diseases as such, but it will hurt the knees. Definitely when there is a more fat deposition on the lower body part, more weight is on the lower part, right? So that will hurt their knees, the knee joints, and especially all the joints in the legs. So they should definitely take care of the joints, joint health, calcium, and they should focus on losing the body fat in the lower body. That will happen by targeted exercises, that is the exercises which focuses on the lower body part. So that is very important for them, as well as they should concentrate more on building up the lean muscle. That is, they should have a high protein diet, high fiber diet to lose the fat whatever is stored in their body. One more body type is called the apple shape or the beer belly. So this type of body is found mostly in men. The fat deposition here happens in the belly area, that is in the stomach area. This happens deeper inside the skin, that is this kind of fat deposition happens around the organs, the internal organs, which is very risky for the organs present inside, especially the heart. These kind of people are have the high risk for heart attack, diabetes, type 2 diabetes, cancer, and some liver issues. And also they will be having a high risk of cholesterol, like high cholesterol levels will be there in their body. So these kind of people should definitely focus on cutting down their carbohydrates, having a high protein, high fiber diet, and they should focus on preventing the heart disease, so that they should have lot of omega-3 rich foods, and also they should be concentrating on having more good fat instead of going for bad fat like animal fat and all. So they should be having more of MUFA, that is mono or polyunsaturated fatty acid foods, and they should definitely completely avoid trans fats, packed foods. So these kind of people are having the higher risk even when compared to pure shaped body. So the next body type will be the hourglass body type. So in this body type, the fat deposition will be equally distributed among the upper body part and the lower body part, and they'll be having a definite waist. So this kind of body type is mostly found in women again. These kind of people will have more of hormonal imbalances in them, because there is lot of fat deposition happening throughout the body. This will induce lot of hormonal imbalances. So women with PCOD and thyroid issues and all, they'll be having, most of them will be having this kind of body type, and they should definitely concentrate on balancing their hormones. So that will happen only by a healthy lifestyle, that is having a proper food, balanced food, that is very important. And they should be completely avoiding the refined carbohydrates and switch on to whole grains, the unrefined carbs, unrefined cereals, millets. So those kind of healthy eating habits they should adapt to. High fruits, high fiber foods like fruits and vegetables, and definitely on exercise also they should concentrate. So hope this video was useful for you, body shapes and what kind of problems they get and what kind of food they should concentrate on. To know more about your body type and your food, your diet pattern in a customized way, you can contact me in the number given below in the description.
Subscribe my channel and share to the people you care. Thanks for watching.